Welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to save the shape as picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. So at first open up your Microsoft PowerPoint. After that open up any document. Now from here you can see in my document shapes are inserted. If you want to save the shape as picture, just select your all the shape and then right click on mouse, then click on save as picture and then choose your folder and then click on save and it's done. Now just open the folder and here it is. You can see the shapes are saved successfully as picture. Now I will show you how to save only one shape as picture. Just select any one shape and then right click on mouse, then click on save as picture and then click on OK and it's done. Now just open the folder and that's it. And that is how you can save shape as picture on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.